There are four major areas where coolant can cause a lot of issues. We're going to go through each one of these one by one, and John is the expert. The first and foremost, we are going to talk about rust. John, let's talk about rust and coolant.
Rust and coolant. Well, first, we're going to talk about the two places. One, rust can be on your part. Makes a bad part, scrap, rework, not a good thing. But the other one is you can have rust on your brand new machine after just a few months. Nobody wants to see a couple $100,000 machine or $1 million machine all of a sudden turning into a boat anchor. We don't want that. The wrong coolant or the improperly maintained coolant can cause rust.
That is an expensive boat anchor.
Very.
So, because we don't want that, how can we prevent that? How can we do better when we're starting to see rust being created from our coolant?
Well, hopefully, if you do the right things, you never see rust and never have to deal with it. Hopefully. So the first thing is maintain your concentration. Most coolants have a specific concentration they need to run. Maintain it at that concentration. Keep your machine full. That's another great way. And another one is talk to your master fluids representative and have your water tested, because some places in the country, water is not good and it can cause some rust issues. And especially if you don't take care of your coolant, it becomes a bigger problem.
So when we're talking about making sure that we have the right balance of whatever liquid we're combining with the coolant itself, I know we've talked about this before, but I think it's important to iterate because we're talking right now individually for rust. We're not talking about, say, a 10% ratio to a 90% ratio that we dump in the back of the machine. This is something we do outside of the machine before adding to the machine. Is that correct?
Correct. Both, you need to make sure what's in the machine, in the sump of the machine, is at the right concentration. Most master products are run 8 to 10% concentration in the back. When you add coolant on a daily basis, you need to be adding typically about a 2 to a maybe 3% makeup to keep it at that 8 to 10, because you lose a lot of water due to evaporation when the tool is hot. And so you only have to put 2 or 3% back in to maintain it at 8. So check the concentration and fill the machine with a 2 or 3% makeup every single day.
You heard it here first, guys. This is my buddy John. Do not create boat anchors that are $1 million. Pay attention to your coolant and what's going on. Do not create that rust. Like you already said, if you're seeing it, it's too late. We don't want to even see it. So pay attention to that. We have 3 more coming to you, and I hope you pay attention to those as well. John, thank you as always.
Thanks, Tony.